2 cup besan. Some water for mixing.
Subscribe.
Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. 3 medium-sized boiled and mashed potato. 2 medium-sized onion chopped. Green chili chopped. Ginger garlic paste. A half teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon jeera powder. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon Amchur powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon dhania powder. Salt as per taste. A 1/4 teaspoon carom seed. Pinch of hing.
Hara dhania. Subscribe.
2 teaspoon warm oil for crispiness. A half cup rice flour.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.